Good morning. I hope you're having a great day. So I already delivered all of those 11 mini bouquets to the coffee shop, and I delivered my order to Pella. So now I'm just out. I have a do-it-yourself bucket to gather some flowers for, and then I'm just gonna harvest and see where the day takes me. Look at this amaranth though. So normally I'm used to the Hot Biscuits amaranth kind of looking like this brown color, but look at this orange color. It's a beautiful, and it looks great in bouquets. I'm loving it right now. Well, I made it back home. So today started off and I had a lot of deliveries, and then I did a post and said, so we have this big sprint car race coming up, and a lot of people are really nice and they open their house, sometimes to strangers, sometimes to people they've met over the years, and they let race fans come because we don't have a ton of lodging. The campgrounds are full. I think most of the hotels are full. And so it's just another way to let people come to town and enjoy the sprint car races and have somewhere to stay. So a lot of people do that. So I did a post that just simply said, do you want to brighten up your house? Do you have anybody that you're hosting for this week? And I had some bouquet orders come in. So that was awesome. I just love this town. They're so supportive. So I made some bouquets and I delivered those. We are under a heat advisory, and let's see, it's only 91 degrees, which on a 91 degree day, I can be out in the field with my hat on and doing stuff. I was pulling weeds that one day, but the humidity is just so high. I wasn't feeling it today. So I made those bouquets. I got all of that done. And then I thought, you know what? I haven't even enjoyed our pool this year. Like, I think I've been in it I could probably count on both hands, maybe one hand, how many times I've actually got to jump in the pool. So I think I'm going to wrap up the day, put a very short video together, show you the bouquets that I made today. I did a little bit of harvesting. I took my florist their flowers. I took the coffee shop their flowers. And it's just a day in the life of a flower farmer on a really hot, humid day. I think I just kind of gave up, but not really. I mean, I made bouquets and delivered them, and that takes time. So it is early though. It's only 4:40. I usually am not done this early, so I think I'm just gonna call it quits. And I see some red tomatoes up there. Actually, they're pink tomatoes because those are the best. So maybe I need to pick some tomatoes and just have a nice evening with Nate. I hope you all enjoy this video, and I hope you have a great day.